Creating an herbal medicine garden is a rewarding endeavor that empowers you to harness the healing properties of plants. Start by selecting herbs known for their medicinal benefits, such as chamomile for calming effects, peppermint for digestive health, and echinacea for immune support. Choose a sunny spot in your yard or balcony, ensuring well-drained soil. You may want to grow herbs in pots if space is limited. Begin planting your seeds or seedlings in the spring, and remember to space them adequately to allow for growth. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, is crucial. As your herbs mature, harvest them thoughtfully. Cutting stems encourages bushier growth. Drying harvested herbs can prolong their shelf life, allowing you to create your own teas, tinctures, or salves. Consider keeping a journal to track the effects of each herb, enhancing your understanding of their unique properties. As you cultivate your skills, you'll develop a self-sufficient source of natural remedies. Embrace this journey of healing through nature and transform your garden into a sanctuary of health and wellness, one herb at a time.